Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Just coming back up from a trip down the mountain, and we got some white stuff coming out of the sky. A little bit of a storm. Seen a couple of flashes. Let's see if I can go and capture something there. Oh, this is all misting up and everything. Wow. There's some very wet people about. People who don't look at the forecast before they venture out. Oh yeah. Just got back in, just got the car in the garage, and as is usual, things change weather-wise here very, very rapidly. And literally 3-4 minutes later, the sun is out. This is just raindrops coming off the roof. But yeah, spectacular mountain weather. We're due more storms this afternoon, so see if I can't do that as well. Got it. Okay, so just a quick video in a storm, and that's it. I had to grab a camera for that one. Pretty spectacular, and that happens a lot. I've done loads of other ones. Have a look back last year, a year before. Some spectacular stuff happens. When the air gets warm for summer, it fuels up these storms, and they come in here and they just thrash us. Pretty good stuff. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Remember, subscribe and keep subscribing. Keep sharing, all that stuff. And until the next one, again, thanks very, very much for watching. Ciao.